Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing Dossier. So this is the second time that this brand has been in my videos and I cannot wait to tell you guys more about it. So let's go ahead and get started. We are doing another unboxing in the car because it's just been working really well with my schedule, and so we're just gonna keep going with it. So guys, exciting news, I am now an ambassador for Dossier, and basically that just means that I am going to be showcasing some of their perfumes that they have, just getting to know the brand more and giving you guys more information about the brand. So I'm really excited. I have a contract with them for the next 6 months, so hopefully we can do some giveaways as well, but that is in the works right now. So guys, Dossier, if you haven't already, is based off of France. Let me just tell you what's exactly written on their website. It's to bring the iconic perfumes you love, all with that same luxe scent and high quality feel, but without the celebrity endorsement fees, markups, or pricey packaging. So basically they're giving you high-end luxury inspired perfumes at a fraction of the price. So they are not trying to dupe like the luxury perfume signature scents from designer perfumes, and they're trying to create their own. So I love that about them. Their focus is not on the marketing or packaging. Their focus is more on the quality of their ingredients and the quality of the perfume. Speaking of quality, this brand Dossier is vegan, cruelty free, and considered clean, and it's actually cleaner than the clean list from Sephora according to them. So that's amazing. So if you open this, it has great packaging like this. I love this orange box. So if you guys can see that, you get the bottle of perfume, and mine unfortunately had kind of an accident, so I'm not sure what that was. I'm trying to figure out where the leak was coming from. Maybe it's from this sample that they have, and we'll talk about that. I tried to see if there was a leak in the bottle, but there wasn't. So when you subscribe to Dossier, or when you purchase a perfume, you get this bottle. It's in a nice package like this, and it may or may not come with a sample. If it comes with a sample, feel free to use the sample first to try how the scent is. If you really like it, you can keep the big bottle. If you don't like it, you can keep this sample and return and exchange this bottle for another scent. So it's really risk-free guarantee. I think my friend Jackie, who also tried Dossier, I'm not sure if she got the sample. It's not very consistent whether you'll get a sample or not, but what is consistent is that you can return the product. Just try it out. If you don't like it, you can return and exchange it for another perfume. Sorry about the lighting, guys, but a bottle like this is actually $29, and this is a 50 ml bottle. That is huge. It comes with $9 shipping, but if you buy 3 different types of perfumes, 3 50 ml bottles, then the shipping becomes free here in the United States. Most of their 50 ml bottles are around $29, but if you purchase 3, which is 3 for $75, then you get free shipping. This bottle, however, I looked it up. This is a Tom Ford inspired perfume, and I specifically asked for something floral, of course, because that is my scent profile. That is the scent that I gravitate towards. And wow, Tom Ford. Have you guys seen a perfume from Tom Ford? A 1.7 ounce or 50 ml bottle from Tom Ford at Macy's is around $263. So it is super expensive. I don't think I'd be able to afford that. If you purchase the perfume, an inspired by perfume from Dossier, then this is only $39. The card also got stained by the perfume. So when you get the card, you have all the information about this floral jasmine perfume, and they just call it floral jasmine. That's like the main name here on the bottle. They don't call it Tom Ford. Ford. It has the top notes, the middle notes, and the base notes. And the top notes are like the first thing that you smell in a perfume. The middle notes is the next thing that you smell. And the base notes are the most long lasting, what's going to last towards the end of the day. And so the top notes for this are like neroli, bergamot, pepper, cardamom. Middle notes are jasmine, ilang-ilang, broom, flower. And I don't know what that is. And then the base notes are labdanum, sage, and vanilla. I kind of compared the top notes and the different notes for the original Tom Ford designer perfume, and they both have the same main kind of key notes, which is the jasmine sambac, the clary sage, and the peppercorn. So they have the main scent profiles, but the only difference is probably the formula and how they combine and in what amounts these ingredients are. Let's go ahead and smell the perfume. This is the floral jasmine. I gotta tell you, the first time I smelled this perfume, it was amazing. It smelled amazing. And I knew this was me. This was definitely me. You can smell the jasmine right off the bat, like the floral scent, and then you get that peppery scent, and then it just kind of mellows down. I really love that because the floral scent isn't very overpowering. So it's not strong. It's not one of those perfumes that give you a headache throughout the day. Only thing, if I were to complain about this perfume, is that I wish the sticker stuck on better. I know the packaging is not their focus. I'm fine with this really white, plain, minimalistic packaging. The cover is magnetized, which I feel brings the packaging to another level, but I just am not happy with the sticker. So that was the only thing. So after trying Dossier's perfume, I realized that their perfumes are more long lasting than the original designer perfume, because the first one that I tried was inspired by Gucci, and I realized that their perfume lasted so much longer. This Tom Ford one didn't last as long as the Gucci inspired one. Now I don't have the Tom Ford perfume to compare. Hopefully I can get that in one of my scent box Scentbird perfumes so that I'll have a comparison and update you next month. This perfume really smells good, and I'm really curious how close it gets to the original. I do have to tell you, it's never an exact duplicate of the original. There is definitely a distinct difference between them, and that's fine, but you really are gonna get just the essential scent profile of the designer perfume in Dossier's perfume. So hopefully you guys like this quick review video of Dossier. Let me know if you have any questions about Dossier, and I'll try my best to answer them for you. The motto of this brand is basically perfume for all and not just for the top 1%, and I love that. That is so true. That is so important for everybody, and that just gives you a chance at trying great high quality perfumes for something that's definitely affordable for your budget. So that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. If you are interested in Dossier, check out my discount link in the description below. I will have it there for you guys. That saves you 10% off of your next purchase from Dossier. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back in my corner soon. Bye!